Today I'm going to show you how to make pop-out effect and how to apply round corners to an image. Go to Canva, create a design and create a custom size, create new design, and you can upload your own image. We are just going to use this one. Edit image and make sure you are using the new editor and click magic grab. Let's resize the background and you can round the corners from here. And here is the results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.